Hello, Antoinette Wash here. Instead of doing a live video conference, I decided to record myself showing my website and then I'll upload it to Blackboard and you guys can give feedback there. I just thought it'd be a little bit easier since everyone is scheduling video conferences. That way you can watch it at your own leisure and give your feedback on Blackboard. So starting off, I did use Wix for my website builder. When you first get to the homepage of my website, it says Meet Antoinette Wash, which is me. It gives a brief introduction of myself, and I have a button that you can click on for resume. So you click the resume button, and there goes my resume. Going back to the website, if you continue to scroll down, you'll see a little bit more about myself, including a video that I created using Powtoons and uploaded to YouTube. This video, it's about a 2-minute video, and it kind of talks about me, um, my personal life as far as my family, and it also has my personal beliefs in education as far as differentiated learning and how it can be integrated with technology. If you continue to go down, you see a little bit more about me and my bio. And when you get down to the bottom, you see the digital image that I created as one of our technology implementation projects. This image was created using the website Be Funky. I played around with a lot of the different websites in that technology implementation project, but I ended up choosing Be Funky. And this image actually is pictures taken from my classroom, which I have a lot of, if you notice, a lot of movable furniture, a lot of ABL things. I have a lot of technology going on. And I just believe in a concept called the kinesthetic classroom, which is something I just kind of made up on my own, but it's just kind of redesigning the way that learning is occurring, and it just flowed naturally with our class and our course that we're taking right now. And down at the bottom, there's a way to get in contact with me just in case anyone wanted to ever get in touch with me. Moving to the next page of my website is my blog page. When you click on my blog page, it is in chronological order. So I'm going to start with the very first blog post that we did down at the bottom. It was just the foundation to trying to finish off this semester of college, and it just kind of talks about how college students can get overwhelmed, but how technology is kind of helping us out a little bit. My second blog was just reflecting on the assessment platforms that we use in our technology implementation. So some of the assessment platforms that I got to play around with were Kahoot. I played around with quizzes, but I ended up choosing Mentimeter for my assessment platform that I used when we did that technology implementation project. Again, here's another picture of my digital image that I created for that technology implementation project. And then I blogged about Be Funky. I really enjoyed using Be Funky. Um, and then my last blog was actually my favorite. I think I was getting the hang of blogging and I was seeing how it's really like a journalism style. And so I really enjoyed it. So this was my favorite blog. So if you haven't had an opportunity to read any of my blogs, if you want to check out a good one, I think that this one is a really fun one. And it's the Techie Teacher Tool. And it was just talking about one of my favorite research tools that we used. And how technology can be a little bit overwhelming, but there are search engines out there that can help us out. Moving on to my next page. This next page is directly tied to this course, the NC page. If you get here, it has all the substandards and the reflective manuscripts that we did throughout this course. I designed it or formatted it by unit. So you'll see unit 1 here, and I have everything that was under unit 1. So I have the standards and reflections, and then my own personal reflective manuscript for that unit. I have my technology implementation. So if you click on this, it'll actually take you to, it'll download my technology implementation. And then I also have the team video conference linked in. So if you click on one of the buttons, it'll take you to our team's video conference for each unit. So I did that for every unit, unit 1, unit 2. It seems like it skips, but that's because I chose to do unit 5 and unit 6 instead of unit 3 and 4. Down at the bottom, I have already set up the part for this final project. So I will upload my manuscript for the final project here. And then once this video is finished recording, I'm going to upload it to YouTube, and then you'll be able to click this link to see the reflective video. So that's pretty much it about my website. I really, really enjoyed doing this. This was a fun thing. And actually, next school year, I'm going to be working with fourth grade, and I'm going to be doing math science, and it'll be all GT students. So designing a website is actually something that I can see myself incorporating inside of my classroom. Maybe having my students design a website similar to this, but maybe based on some of the math teaks that I have to teach this school year. So I'm very excited about all that I've learned in this class, and I look forward to using it in the future. Thank you. Bye-bye.